Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
How you doing? Tony with RVFix. Today we're going to do a summarize on your 2026 Alliance 23 ML. Let's head over to the water bay and get started. All right, to get started winterizing, we're going to need to put some water in our freshwater tank. So first thing we want to do is come on back here, right behind your rear tire. Right there's your fresh tank drain. You just want to make sure that handle is pushed all the way in so that it'll actually hold fresh water. So what we need to do is go ahead and put some water in our freshwater tank. We're going to put about half a tank of fresh water in it. So we've got this water valve system. These are really great. All you got to do is just look at the labels here and then make these handles look like the picture for whatever it is you're going to do. So right now we're actually going to power fill the tank. So I need my handles to look like this. So I got my white handle vertical, my green handle horizontal, and my blue handle vertical. Okay. This is our city water hookup, and this is our black tank flush hookup. So we're going to actually use the city water hookup. We go ahead and we hook up our city water. Once we're in that position, making sure our fresh tank drain is closed. All right, and then we just go ahead and open the water, let that fill up. These, if you let the tank fill all the way up, it just starts spilling out on the ground whenever it's full. So that's how you know it's full. So once we've actually got enough water in the tank, we can go ahead and remove this. And then what we're going to do is use the water pump to flush out the antifreeze out of the water line. So we need to actually put it in the dry camping mode, which is right here. So we need to make the picture look like that. We got white vertical, green vertical, and blue horizontal. So now that'll allow the water pump to suck water out of that fresh water tank and push it through our pressurized water lines. So before we go inside to start flushing out our lines, we want to go ahead and open up this water heater and just make sure this is turned off, because we don't want this kicking on while we're just trying to flush it out. So the line is on, the circle is off, so we're going to go ahead and make sure that's turned off, and we can go flush our lines out, and then we'll come back and turn this on in order to test. So let's head on inside and get going on that. All right, here we are just right inside the door on the side of your cabinet. This is our monitor panel, and this is where all the controls are here. So right over here, this first switch you come to right in the center of the control panel is your water pump. I flip that on. That light comes on, so I know the water pump's on. Let's just go on, head on over to the kitchen sink. All right, so whenever I do a summarize or a winterize, I like to do just one temperature on the faucet at a time so you can know each line is completely flushed out. So just turn that on, let that go ahead and run until it runs clear. Okay, and then we switch to the other side. All right, and then on into the bathroom. One temperature at a time on the faucet. Okay, and the toilet. And your shower. All right, we'll run outside, check our spray ports, turn the water heater on, and that'll allow us to come in and check the water heater, and then we'll be all good to go. So right on the back of the coach, we've got a spray port here, so we're going to want to go ahead and flush this out. And then we'll take this up to the outside shower faucet, and we've got the shower faucet up here, so this same hose will clip onto here, pull back the collar, push it in, locks in just like that, and you can just do one temperature at a time. Perfect. Okay. And now we can go to the water heater, turn it back on, go and test, make sure that's working, check the rest of the functions on the coach, and then we'll be all done, ready to go. This one, it's got these two latches right here. Open that, bring your door open, and right over here in this corner is your switch. If you don't have this switch on out here, the controller inside will not turn on. So push that on, and then we can go in and just test the water heater to make sure it's working. Okay, so right here's our controller for our water heater. Turn that power button on. It's going to right there show you what temperature the temperature set for the water to come out of the water heater. So we can go ahead and just turn on a hot water faucet. There we go. The heating light came on, showing us that it's on and producing hot water. And there's the temperature of the water that's coming in. There you go, our water heater's working. There you go, we've summarized your 2026 Alliance 23 ML. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, and make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.